First, determine if you have an open case Nissan key fob. This type usually flips open or slides apart to reveal the battery. Most Nissan models from 2018 onwards, such as the Altima from 2020 to 2025, Rogue from 2021 to 2025, and Sentra from 2018 to 2024, use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Confirm the battery type by checking the markings on your old battery or consulting your owner's manual. It's a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. CR2032 batteries are widely available for $13 at most retailers. First, locate the small notch or button on your key fob to open the case. Use your fingernail or a small flat tool to gently pry the case open, avoiding excessive force. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, taking note of the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it by holding the lock-unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds.